Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about role of food in the prevention of cancer. Eating an unhealthy food and lifestyle modification that leads to increase the risk of cancer. Cancer is a term used to refer malignant neoplasm or tumor. Cancer is a group of a disease involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body. This contrasts with a benign tumor which do not spread. Cancer is one of the toughest and trickiest conditions to treat it. Doctors world over have still not found any good enough cure for it, while nothing can replace a medication. Here are nutrients in the foods that are believed to kill cancer cells naturally. Now we are going to see about role of food in the prevention of cancer. A major new report from the World Cancer Research Fund and American Institution for the Cancer Research highlighting plant-based foods to reduce cancer risk. Yes, healthy diet and lifestyle behavior could prevent 40% of cancer cases. Diet is an important area of intervention for primary cancer prevention. Nutrients as a cancer preventing agent. Epidemiological study strongly suggest that high intake of a food rich in beta carotenes, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E decrease the risk of some cancers. Mainly plant-based food can reduce risk of cancer. Basing our diet around plant food like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and beans, which contain fiber and other nutrients, can reduce our risk of cancer. Beta carotene. Carotenoids are tetrafenoids that have an important role as a natural antioxidant pigment. Dr. John reported carotenoid antioxidant activity are related to direct incubate of a specific cellular process, example growth factor signaling and cell cycle progression. Beta carotene can reduce risk of various cancer, especially lung, stomach, cervix, esophageal, throat cancer, and it reduces risk of cardiovascular disease, especially smoker. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that may scavenge reactive oxygen species, preventing DNA damages and other effects important in cancer transformation. According to NCBI reported, vitamin C may change the metabolic and epigenetic profile of cancer cells, and activation of 10-11 translocation TET protein and downregulations of a pyripotency factor by vitamin may eradicate cancer stem cells. Vitamin C reduce risk of upper GI tract, cervical cancer and cardiovascular disease. Vitamin E. Whole grains are concentrated source of antioxidant nutrient vitamin E. It is an intracellular antioxidant that protects polyunsaturated fatty acid in cell membrane from oxidative damages. It also inhibits formation of nitrosamine, especially at low pH. Vitamin E prevents the formation of carcinogens from precursor compound, and it is important for immune and endothelial cell function. Phytochemicals. Phytochemicals in fruits and vegetables are protective against cancer. Yes, plant foods are good source of substance called phytochemicals which can help to protect cell in the body from damage that can lead to cancer. Phytochemical also act as an anti-cancer agent. Biologically active micronutrients are known as phytochemicals. Phytochemicals present in the plant foods and their sources are most important in the food. Most of them exhibit their activity as an antioxidant, detoxification agent, or simply by physiochemical means in the case of dietary fibers. Now we are going to see about lemonoids. Lemonoids are a compound present in the citrus fruits. Generally, they are found in the peels. They produce the familiar bitter taste. Most importantly, lemonoid have been shown to produce anti-cancer activities in animals and inhibit the spread of human breast cells in culture. It acts as a detoxification cancerogenic substance from the body. Phenols. Phenolic can enhance the body's immune system to recognize destroy cancer cells as well as incubate the development of a new blood vessels that is necessary for tumor growth. Phenol also is one type of phytochemicals which comes under the subclassification of flavonoids. Grape juice, wines, and berries are good sources of phenols. Scavenging activated mutagen and carcinogen flavonoids may also decrease the risk of cancer. Processed foods are definitely linked to cancer. No amount is safe. There is evidence on processed meat and cancer in clear cut. The data show that no level of intake can confidently be associated with a lack of risk. According to the Professor Martin, World Cancer Research Fund International and medical and scientific advisor proved that processed food is a food items that has a series of a mechanical or a chemical operation performed on it to change or preserve it. Processed food are those that typically comes in a box, bag or container or contains more than one item on the list of ingredients. Many studies shows that 10% increase in the proportion of ultra processed food in the diet was associated with 12% of a risk of overall cancer and 11% risk of a breast cancer. These findings added to the strong body of evidence linking poor diet with obesity, overweight, and cancer risk. So, healthy balanced diet, a diet which is high in whole foods like fruits, vegetable, whole grain, healthy fats, and lean protein may prevent cancer. Conservationally, processed meat, refined crabs, salt, alcohol may increase risk of your cancer. Though no diet has a prone to cure cancer, but plant-based foods may lower your risk or during the benefit the treatments. There is no diet that can cure cancer. There are also good research that shows that eating any plant like in a vegetarian diet, for example, can lower the chance of a cancer coming back. Your best bet is to stick with a balanced diet. Inclusion of all food groups. Thank you for your patience. Make a healthy choice of food and be away from a cancer. That's Miss Indrani signing off now. Meet with the next video. Thank you.